political and economic rights that are given to any Filipino anywhere in the world. What else? You will be able to vote and voted into office once you become dual citizen. So what does it mean? Kuya, kung gusto niyo kong tumakbong mayor sa inyong from probinsya, pwede po. Pwede rin kung bumili din ng property without any limit. Before, there's a 1,000 square meter limit. Ngayon, ang limit na lang natin ay so you can buy as much as you can afford. So aside from that, you can stay in the Philippines indefinitely. So as long as you want, nobody would tell you, oh, you have to pay penalties because you overstayed your visa. So you will also be able to practice your profession in the Philippines. You can represent the Philippines in the global arena. So kung gusto mong mag-Miss Universe ni ate, pwede po. Pwede po. Pwede kang maging, Pilipinas. Or Miss Universe Philippines. Oo, wala pong question kasi Filipino citizen tayo. Alala niyo naman, diba, si Pia Wurtzbach, si Catriona Gray, those are dual citizens. Sabi ko nga, bakit walang galing US? Dapat meron tayong Miss Universe na galing yung Bay Area. Ang dami-dami natin dito. Pagkatapos walang Miss Universe. Sayang naman. Pero bakit no, hopefully, if you have children who are included as derivative citizens, they will be able to study in the Philippines and they will be charged the local rates. I know some Filipinos do that, especially if they are sending the children to nursing school. Nursing school here is really expensive, much cheaper sa Philippines, so some of the kids go back to study. What else? Aside from the profession, also we cannot discount the fact that we will feel so much closer to our country once we become Filipinos again. It's just something in your heart and in your mind. So this is why this is my most favorite part of my job. Not because I have the microphone, because I will become part of your story. You were from the old country, and then you come here, you struggle, you become Americans, and then you become Filipinos once again. So where else will I have that opportunity and privilege? I handled a lot of jobs before becoming a diplomat, and I could say that becoming a diplomat is not really that fun. And the best thing about becoming the diplomat is serving the Filipino people. Yun lang talaga yung the best part of becoming a diplomat. Other perks, you can find that in your other jobs. I had good jobs, pero dito pa lang na-experience